With a long history, unique features, numerous styles, and exquisite cooking, Chinese cuisine is one of the important constituent parts of Chinese culture. Chinese traditional dishes are famous for their color, aroma, taste, meanings, and appearance. As China is a huge country, there are many regional differences in cuisine due to differing climates, history, local ingredients, dining customs, etc. Sapo tofu is one of the typical Chinese foods that does not contain meat. Sapo tahu gets its name from the use of sapo or clay pot used to cook this dish and is made of ceramic material so it can retain heat for a long time. The basic ingredients themselves are Chinese tofu, mushroom, carrots, chicory, cornstarch, and a mixture of other spices. Sapo tofu has a smooth and soft texture, and the taste of sapo tofu is savory and delicious, especially when served while it is still hot. Lumpia, or commonly known as lumpia, is one of the typical Chinese food. Lumpia is made from wheat flour in the form of a thin sheet that is used as a wrapper for stuffing, which is usually in the form of eggs, meat, vegetables, seafood, and bamboo shoots, and some even contain sweet foods. Lumpia has a crunchy texture and is savory or sweet depending on the contents, and usually when enjoying, lumpia dip and rice are added, to make it even more delicious. Hot pot, or hot pot, is one of the most popular dishes in China, especially in Sichuan province or Chongqing. People cook in and eat from a simmering pot of soup stock, broth, on a gas induction hob in the middle of the dining table with foodstuffs and condiments around the pot. Chinese people are very fond of hot pot. In the past, hot pot used to be favored only in winter, but nowadays hot pot has been appearing on tables all year round. It is a great way to socialize with friends and relatives. Stir-fried beef is a well-respected Chinese dish, because it is delicious and quite easy to make. Basically, stir-fried beef is made from minced beef with several types of vegetables that are sautéed and given sweet and savory spices. Similar to steak, black pepper, but also very flexible if you want to adjust to your taste. This dish is very suitable to be eaten with steamed rice or potatoes and served at family events. Typical Chinese food in the form of fresh fish salad and added sliced vegetables such as carrots and radishes. The fish used are generally tuna or salmon, which are processed by soaking in a mixture of cooking oil, sesame oil, and pepper. The sauce used is also unique, namely a sauce made from a mixture of oil, plums, cinnamon powder, and sugar. Yusheng has a distinctive, savory and delicious taste.